Welcome to Turbo Rider. Today we are diving review the 2025 Honda Rebel 500 is back with a stunning combination of classic cruiser looks and modern performance. It's a mid-size motorcycle that perfectly fits both new riders and experienced ones who crave smooth control and strong performance. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Rebel 500 lies a 471 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, parallel twin engine, delivering smooth and responsive power. With a 6-speed transmission and assist-to-slipper clutch, shifting gears feels effortless even during quick downshifts. The bike offers excellent torque for city rides and relaxed cruising on highways. Suspension and brakes. The Rebel 500 features a 41mm front fork and dual rear shocks, providing a comfortable and balanced ride. It also includes front and rear disc brakes with ABS, ensuring safe and confident stopping power in all conditions. Design and comfort. Honda has kept the Rebel's iconic low-slung cruiser style alive. The seat height is just 27.2 inches, making it ideal for riders of all sizes. With its matte black, pearl beige, and blue color options, it delivers a premium, custom look right from the factory. The wide tires 130/90-16 in front and 150/80-16 at the rear add to its muscular stance. Practical features. The 2025 Rebel 500 comes with modern LED lighting, a digital display, and a 3-gallon fuel tank, offering great range and style. Its lightweight and balanced frame make it easy to handle, whether in city traffic or open roads. Price and availability. In Pakistan, the estimated price of the 2025 Honda Rebel 500 starts around PKR 1.95 million, while the ABS SE version is expected near PKR 2 million. However, prices may vary depending on import duties and dealership costs. Final thoughts. The 2025 Honda Rebel 500 is not just a motorcycle, it's a lifestyle statement. With its perfect mix of performance, comfort, and timeless style, this bike is built for riders who love freedom on two wheels. Like, share, and subscribe to Turbo Rider.